I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and there's profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, winning and spinning the crew. Putting this all in the proof. I'm in the proof in the pudding. You think you ballin', you shouldn't. Rich told you about a mirror. Now we trying to get a score. Now it's time to watch the layup. We don't sleep, we just sit up. We predicting the shit. We be giving them pigs. Ill kid, always dropping the hits. If you ain't watching, I guess you be losing. You winning this shit. I'm playing for the game. Trying to get up on my chain. Haters step out of my way. 50, better get out my lane. Namaste is here to stay. And Canopy's a giant. Capria is massive. And GGB's a lion. Buying all these top stocks in the future, your ass is retiring. If you on top of your shit, then little kid, you inspiring. Go and subscribe, go and get live. Rich TV, don't stay on the side. Comment below, go on our show. Picks are hot like out of the stove. No, we don't play, don't know what to say. Rich on his grind, making hits all day. Bring for your soul, go and get dope. Pop what is dirty, we come with the show. I told you about the markets and there's profits, and it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and there's profits, and it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, you can join the WhatsApp, long as your ass ain't suspect. Always wondering what's next. We all here to gain success. $100 a member, 1 million members. Do the math, I'll do the rap. That's way too much money to mention. We in the green capital, we on the mean avenue. Know what I mean? All that I seen, I got a clean attitude. How could I be mad at you? I mean, how can we be mad at you? Rich TV is free and you still ain't got a wee bit of gratitude. ACB got ABCC, all ducks in a row. Please don't play with me. You say to me that Rich, he just don't know. He can't predict the way the market is. White line from his esophagus. How he got all this confidence. All the shit he's saying is nonsense. Nah, that ain't true. Take a look, now take a roll. All those pics all right through the roof. Like through the roof, like through the roof. Nah, you ain't making a cent. Nah, you ain't making a cent. If you always a troll, then you're living a death. If I told you about the markets and there's profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah, I told you about the markets and there's profits, then it's true. If I told you about the largest of the margins, then it's true. If I told you about the 52-week lows and highs, it's true. You ain't watching, you ain't winning, get your popcorn, cause it's true. Yeah.
We discover the undercover, underexposed, underappreciated, undervalued companies first. It's true. It's your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We'll bring you the winners. They'll bring to you first. I'm over.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your captain speaking, Rich from Rich TV Live. Hope you all had a great weekend. Happy Martin Luther King Day in America. Very, very, very big day in American history. Hope you guys all have a fantastic day off. And it's the day after the NFC and the AFC playoffs. Congratulations to the Kansas City Chiefs for making the Super Bowl for the first time in 50 years. And congratulations to the San Francisco 49ers, who are on the verge of winning their 6th NFL Super Bowl. So congratulations to both of those teams. A lot of people in America are celebrating and taking the day off today for Martin Luther King Day. Once again, it is a holiday in America. American markets are not open. So unfortunately, we don't get a chance to enjoy another money-making day in the markets because markets have been in a market melt-up exactly as I predicted they would be, and they've just continued to go higher and higher and higher. My opinion is this will continue. So far, I've been 100% correct, telling you guys it will continue, and it just keeps going higher. What is going to be the catalyst that's going to turn it around? Inverted yield curve? That's out the door. Recession? That's out the door. The only thing that could really hurt these markets is if for some way, somehow, something happened to Donald Trump. Earnings season is approaching, yes. And I anticipate a lot of companies showing strong earnings. And I anticipate that this market will continue to melt up. So in my opinion, we are going to see the markets go higher. I've been telling you guys all year, Bitcoin, green gold for cannabis, 5G, and a market melt up. So far, we've seen a lot of our picks have done well. Nokia has climbed, IIPR has climbed, Apple has climbed, Tesla has climbed, Shopify has climbed. So many of our picks that we've talked about, like Nokia, which is in the 5G space, they've all been climbing, and I believe they will continue to climb because they have a lot of catalysts, and we are in the midst of a market melt-up. And typically when we have a market melt-up, everything just goes way higher, and that's exactly what's happened so far in 2020. It happened in 2019, and so far it's continued to happen here into 2020. Now, the question is, will this continue? In my opinion, the answer is yes. If you guys agree with me, smash the like button, comment down below, share this video everywhere. We are live. We are interactive. Steven says, let's pump CanTrust, way undervalued. Well, if they get their license back, yes. But as long as they don't have their license, no. So CanTrust is one of those very risky plays. If and when they get their license back, which I fully expect them to get, that stock's going to skyrocket. If they don't get their license back for whatever reason, that stock will plummet and the company will probably go bankrupt. So it's a very scary situation with CanTrust. It's extremely risky. I wouldn't suggest anybody go out there and take the risk. But if you're a gambling man, if you're a gambling woman, then CanTrust might be one of the best opportunities out there, because if and when they do get their license, and I'm hearing it's going to be soon, I fully expect that stock to go up at least 100%. Now, we got 20 people here. We only got 5 likes. I really don't like that. Can we get our likes game up? I apologize. I don't want to bother you guys and ask you guys for too much on a holiday, but if you could find it in your hearts to hit that like button, then that would be really amazing. I would really appreciate it. And hopefully more people will recognize that we are live. There we go. Now we're up to 7 likes. 7 is better than 5. We got 21 people here. 8 is better than 7. So we're moving in the right direction. We're not even at 50% yet. And we like to be a passing grade. We like to have a passing grade here. 11 out of 22. We're up to 50% now. Thank you guys for your 11 likes. I appreciate it. See how you get double the likes just by asking? Thank you guys for the 11 likes. I appreciate it. So let's take a look at some of your messages. How you doing, Steven? Steven says, Medicine Hat checking in, waiting to see some action start at our massive Aurora plant to start within 6 months. Yeah, it'd be nice to see that for sure. Thank you. I'm glad that you like the beat. Lucky Lefty, System Deadlock. How you guys doing? Steven says, let's pump CanTrust, way undervalued. Yeah, I mean, some people think that, but it's all based on that license. Ray Wong says, ACB will roar like the 49ers. Yeah, it's possible. I mean, it would be nice to see ACB do well. They're not doing that great today. They're in the red. So Sundial Growers up 5%. They're one of the bigger players today that I see. Chronos Group up 5%. Tilray up 2%. T-God up 2%. Canopy Growth continues its climb up 2%. Supreme Cannabis Company up 1.6%. Aphria up 1.5%. MetaPharm Labs up 1%. And CanTrust up slightly on this Martin Luther King Day. In America, an American holiday. It's not a holiday in Canada, but it is a holiday in America. So what I'm going to do today is I will be going to a conference today, which is one of the largest conferences in Canada. There will be over 350 companies there today. So I will do my best to try to do some interviews. I'll do my best to try to identify a few winners. I'll do my best to find a few companies that I can talk about. So stay tuned today. I know it's a holiday in America, so if you guys are taking the day, I totally understand. But in Canada, if you guys are looking for some content, I will be going to one of the largest conferences in Canada today. There will be over 350 companies there. A lot of them will be mining companies, gold, exploration, oil and gas, uranium, lithium, cobalt, you name it. I'll be doing that today. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated on everything as it happens. And I might live stream from the event. I'm going to be definitely taking some videos with my video camera. So definitely stay tuned to that. There's going to be a lot of content coming today. Lucky Lefty says, first thing I do when I click on your video is hit the like button. Everybody to do the same. Thank you, Lucky Lefty. I appreciate you, man. Michael Marshall says, have you heard anything on Cresco Labs? I've heard lots of things. What are you referring to? I like Cresco Labs a lot. I think they have a lot of potential. I think they have a lot of upside. And they're one that I'm always watching very closely. They're an absolute giant. But when you say, have I heard anything, you need to be more specific because I don't know exactly what you're talking about or referring to when you say, have you heard anything? I hear things all the time, but if you guys want to ask me a question, try to be specific because I don't know exactly what you're referring to when you say, have you heard anything? So other than that, guys, I want to wish you a happy Martin Luther King Day. Take a look at all of our videos. I've got a lot of videos of interviews that I did at the Lift & Co. Cannabis Conference and Expo here in Vancouver last week. And I'm going to another conference today to get you guys more content, more companies, more educational content to post on the platform. ACB is not red? Let's see. It was red when I was looking at it earlier. Is it green now? Oh, I still see that it's red. I don't know. Maybe it's delayed here. But I don't see too much movement in the markets today. This is one of those typical holidays where, yeah, you see a little bit of green, see a little bit of red, and it'll probably just kind of bounce right back the next day. So hope you guys have a great day. Happy Martin Luther King Day. Congratulations to the San Francisco 49ers and the Kansas City Chiefs. Congratulations. I was correct again about Conor McGregor taking out Donald Cerrone. Congratulations to Conor McGregor. Mystic Mac is back. And hope you guys have a great day. It is January 20th, 2020. 1/20/2020. So a lot of 20s. And hope you guys have a great day. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace. Happy Martin Luther King Day. Stay tuned. More content coming. More videos. More live streams. Only at Rich TV Live. I'm out. Peace. Have a happy holiday, everybody.